Hey grillers, Brad here from BB Grill Shack. Today, I'm going to be making a Thicky Thick Cheddar and Bacon Stuffed Burger on my Traeger pellet grill. Alright, so I've shown you guys how to do smash burgers on my griddle before, and that's a really awesome way to make burgers. But what I haven't shown you is how to do a Thicky Thick Stuffed Burger on a Traeger. This recipe is going to be good for a pellet grill. You could do it on a gas grill, in an oven, and probably even in a cast iron skillet, although you're going to want to make sure that it gets cooked all the way through. As far as burger ingredients go, make it your own. But what I'm doing today is I'm going to take 1 pound of beef, 1/4 cup of cheddar, 2 slices of bacon, 1/2 of a white onion, and some seasonings, and I'm going to mix it all together. Dice your onion into the smallest pieces you can. Dice up 2 slices of bacon into smaller pieces. This is my homemade bacon. If you guys want to check out that video, I've left it in the info card up above. The style of stuffed burger that I like to do is where you just mix everything into the burger instead of actually stuffing the core of it. As for seasonings, I'm adding a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of salt, a pinch of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of breadcrumbs. Throw some gloves on and use your hands to mix up the burger meat. This is going to take about 2 minutes, and you want to make sure you get it really well mixed. Now take your burger meat and start forming it into patties. If you want to do thicky thick burgers like I'm doing, this is going to be 2 to 4 patties per pound of meat. You have to remember we added a bunch of onion and other ingredients in here, so this is probably about 1.5 pounds of meat mix, and we're going to turn it into like 3 burgers, so that's about a ½ pound burger each. Heat your grill up to medium heat. I'm going to use 325 degrees Fahrenheit. On a gas grill, this is probably around medium. On an oven, 325 would work. And I'm going to throw my burgers in for 15 minutes on each side for a total of 30 minutes. After 30 minutes has hit, I'm going to throw my buns on the grill, and I'm going to throw cheese slices on each of the burgers. Wait another 5 minutes and then take everything off to start assembling your burgers. Go ahead and assemble your burgers however you want. I'm going to use a thin bun, ketchup, mayo, lettuce, tomato, and of course the burger. Let me just cut this burger in half real quick so I can show you guys just how stuffed and just how big it actually is. All right, now that we have this burger made up, let me go ahead and hit you with the taste test. Now what we've all been waiting for, the taste test. Very oniony, but it's super good. All right guys, that was a really great burger, and I was really happy I got to make it this week. The weather is getting better because it's spring, so get outside, make yourself a burger, make a spatchcock chicken like my last video, I'll link that at the end, or make whatever you want. Just be inspired, make some food, get outside, enjoy the outdoors, enjoy your friends and family, and I'll catch you guys next week. Thanks again for sticking around. Have a good weekend.